Should I invest my time and resources in planning or not? This is the dilemma faced by every single business owner on this planet. Hey, I'm Pratik Khublani, and today I'll discuss the two sides of the planning dilemma. If I don't plan for future, how would I know where am I headed? And on the other hand, I don't have the time or money to plan. Or I've heard from other business owners that planning is a waste of time. Some business owners refrain from planning because in their experience, nothing goes as per their plan. So why bother? The planning dilemma is a common problem amongst business owners while deciding whether to commit to a strategic planning process or not. For someone who is strongly opposed to the process of planning, can put pros of not planning in points like the resources which are spent on planning could be used somewhere else and generate income in that time. Things are done by action and getting them done, not by sitting around and talking about how to do them. Planning processes are actually a distraction of talking about future, and they distract us from what we need to do today. And the disappointment and frustration of not achieving planned goals is totally avoided by not planning. The non-planner makes valid points. Most of the business owners know how to do their work done and know how to do the business, and they don't need any guru to tell them how to get the work done. So why not take business one day at a time, work hard, and see how things go? Consider a business where each manager defines and understands the objectives and goals of the business differently. Everyone embodies different values and pushes the companies in their biased direction, each one of them relying on their own perception of the best thing to do. As a result, there is lack of alignment, which is the exact opposite of capitalizing on opportunities and achieving growth. This is how their business looks like. And going down this path, this is how their future business looks like. Now consider another business where the company is united in common vision, the people embody the company culture and values, and they implement their core strategy within each function of the business. There is a good alignment of resources, contention drops, work is more engaging, synergy is created, and business growth accelerates. With such synergy, this is what their present business system looks like, and going down this path, this is how their future business grows. So it is necessary for any business to plan well and understand what they are trying to achieve. Now you will say, but Pratik, where to begin? As Stephen Covey has said, begin with the end in mind. You've got to think of the big things while you're doing your daily small things so that all the small things go in the right direction. Once you commit to a strategic planning process with the end in mind, you will begin to see that it engages the creativity and expertise of your team and results in a company which has high level of achievement and profitability. And as a result, you get a living, breathing guide of how to do your daily operations. It guides your daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly plan of actions. It literally becomes the management guide to your business. So start making a strategic plan for your business and implement it end to end to achieve your benchmarks and goals. And in the meanwhile, I'll see you soon.